Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a map chart based on this data. So for example, we have here two columns, country and number of sales. And on country we have Germany, Poland, USA and China, with number of sales 120 for Germany, 20 for Poland, 140 for USA and 50 for China. If we want to create a map chart based on this data, we need to select it all. And after that we need to go to insert, we need to click on chart, and then we need to change position of this chart somewhere here. After that we need to change the chart type. It may be on default on pie chart or column chart or bar chart, but we need to click on this list, and then we need to scroll down and find here map charts. So I select geo chart, this one, first one, so I click here, and how you see it really works. So now we can check number of sales for USA, for Germany, for Poland and for China. So how you see it really works, and it may be really useful tool for you. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.